Data Science Videos, take one.
Python for Data Science is the second course in a two-part course. The first course is R for Data Science, and that's the first 7 weeks, and the second 7 weeks is Python for Data Science. And Python for Data Science sort of picks up where we left off with R, where we've already learned a lot of the foundational skills. We've already learned about exploratory data analysis and visualizations and things like that. And when we get to Python for Data Science, we really lean into data engineering, we lean into artificial intelligence, we lean into how we can really take advantage of Python and extend the skills that we already learned in R. Not only, of course, do you learn Python, but you're able to compare and contrast how Python works to another language like R. And that sort of elevates you above what you might have normally found when you just learned Python in a vacuum by itself. The program does adopt AI, and we use AI really woven throughout all the courses. It's something that we're constantly talking about is where can we help as data scientists really leverage AI? And this is a space where our skills are going to be particularly of note because while classic programming methods are largely deterministic, AI is probabilistic. So everything that we've learned to date about how to do data science is going to help us be some of the best AI practitioners that you can have. So yes, AI is used in all of the courses, and you'll definitely leave with skill sets that help you use AI immediately. We'll use them in our R course, we'll use them in our Python course, so even in the first 14 weeks of the course, you'll experience AI.